Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, you're always welcome here. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be doing a full face of MOB. We are going to be trying out their new Southern Goth collection eyeshadows. The camera does not do this justice, so I can't wait to try it on. They also sent me the lip shade in the number M155. Why did it take me a million years to read that? Anyway, I'm going to be doing a full face of MOB. You guys already know I love MOB. MOB is well loved and well used on this channel and on my TikTok. I use them every day. So we're going to do a full face of MOB, okay? Also, you guys, I cut my hair. What do we think? Is this not a cute length? I'm going to go ahead and do my complexion, my base. Like my skin is already prepped. I have my Marie Veronique. I started off with my Josh Rosebrook spray toner, the hydrating toner, and then I did a little bit of my Marie Veronique protective day oil. I have a little bit of my Bloom Effect Dew Drops, and I also have my Bloom Effect sunscreen. It's the stick. I always use the stick. When I hit pan on a foundation like this, it really truly means I love it. I don't even know how to explain it. I have so many products. Obviously, like brands send them to me, or I invest in them so that I can try them out on TikTok, on here, and give you guys like my honest reviews. But also because I work as a makeup artist as well, so I have a lot of makeup for my kit. I try it out for my brides and for my clients. So for me to hit pan like this just speaks volume to how much I love the product, because I rarely get to really finish products, which is really sad. So you can use a little puffer to apply it, which I do for around my mouth because that is the area where I feel I need the most coverage. And then for the rest, I actually use a brush. It has a little bit of pink to it, so it's gonna do a little canceling. Because my under eye is not so bad that I don't like to use the orange color correctors. MOB doesn't have concealers yet, so I'm going to be using the Kosas concealer. I have minis. I'm using shade 06 and 07. 07 on the outside, 06 on the inside. I love how hydrating and light the Kosas concealer is. It's definitely not like a heavy duty concealer. Very lightweight. Super hydrating. My only thing is it creases. Like, this is not a concealer that doesn't require a powder. Like, you have to set it with powder. And I don't really love using powder. Like, on my everyday basis, I don't use powder, but I use a little concealer. I use the Exa concealer or YLS. Do you guys use YLS? I love YLS. What is it? I have it in my shade and I use it every chance I get. Of course, we're gonna use MOB blush. This is also one of my everyday blushes. It's creamed powder. I'm gonna start it off really high. It's basically in almost all my TikToks. Honestly, I don't think I've been in love with a brand like this since maybe 2017 when I first got my Credo Beauty palette and I was insanely in love. But when it comes to clean beauty, I've been trying brands, and I really like the Reach Older Feel Serum Foundation. I love Westman, ODACITE, but I don't think I've really truly loved like every aspect of a beauty brand the way I have with MOB. My love letter to MOB. Of course, we're gonna use MOB Beauty powder. How many times can I say MOB Beauty? Count it and let me know. I need to get this in the medium shade tone. I want to see something because I have it in translucent right now and it's nice, like it's okay, but I want to be able to use it all over the face too, because this is one of the most blurring powders I've ever used in my whole life. I'm gonna come back to the lip. We're gonna do the eye. I wonder, I've played with the creams before. I'm starting off with this shade, Cream Eye, M157. I'm gonna put this right here. I think we just need to do the lip and then it'll make sense, you'll see. And I'm gonna smoke out the bottom. You are going to see the lip shade they send is like a mauve pink. It's great. I just don't know if I want it for today. Let's use it. Okay. Very goth. It's very goth. I'm gonna add, I don't think it's, like on me it looks gray, on me it looks ashy. I think on someone else would be pretty, but not on me. I'm lying. It's great on me. No, I don't like it on me. Like it's really balmy. I love that. I think I want it to be a little bit more down to earth, a little bit more fall. I'm gonna use a little bit of my MOB lip balm in the shade, what number is this? Oof. M27. It's kind of faded so I can't see. Super balmy, super hydrating. And that's it. This is a full face using MOB Beauty. The eyeshadows, I'll be honest, I've used the cream eyeshadows and I have a whole YouTube video on that. They creased on me and I didn't like how they sat. I felt like I had to set it with a powder to make it last. These, I wish you guys could see the sparkle. Like when I turn, it's so beautiful. It sits on the skin. There's no creasing. It does not move. It's completely dry. Wait, does it transfer? Okay, a little transfer. A little transfer, you see, little pickup, but I think it looks really good. Okay guys, that's pretty much it for today. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you like the video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, come back again. Let me know what you guys want to see. I've been doing a lot of like clean beauty reviews, full face using clean beauty products. I am in the clean beauty spaces a lot. Everything I use is clean. So if you guys are thinking of specific products, brands that you would like me to try, let me know. I love trying new things. And yeah. My sister pointed out yesterday that I say yeah a lot and now it's stuck in my head. So yeah. But this gets awkward every time. The more I do it, I would think by now I would have the intro and the outro down, but no, it just gets more and more and more awkward. Okay guys,